What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is the economic data for the week. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. We have more Fed speakers speak today, and we're going to look at financial juice and look at the key takeaways from all of their speeches. Tomorrow, we do have the official release of CPI data. On Wednesday, we do have more Fed speakers speak. On Thursday at 7:30, we have this block of news, and at 9, we have this block of news. We do have the Fed balance sheet coming in at 3:30, but in the Treasury International Capital, but all of this is happening after the market close. We do have Fed Speaker Waller speaking at 12:15 Central Time, and on Friday, the only thing that we have to look out for is PPI, which is the follow-up to the CPI data. And let's jump into financial juice and look at the key takeaways. Now, these are the key takeaways from their speeches today. It's too soon to project when, how much the Fed will cut rates. Now, tomorrow, we have the official release of CPI data. It's never recommended to trade during a major news event, but if you choose to trade, be mindful that you are taking a chance with your trading account. Now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And right out the gate, price consolidated in a range before breaking out and making new all-time highs at 18,121.50 cents. The Nasdaq is making new all-time highs every day, it seems. But I told my trading partner early in the stream, I did not believe that price was going to make it to 8:30, and that I was going to be looking for a short, and price got into that area. Now, look at all this bullish momentum. All this bullish momentum with no price action, that tells me that the way it came up is going to be the way it came down. Look at the bear, look at the bulls trying to push price higher, and the bears finally coming in at this high and pushing price lower. I told my trading partner that I may take this short right here, but this was around the time where I usually go to the gym after the stream, and I have a rule. I do not trade unless I'm at my desk to manage my position. And when I came back from the gym, the only thing I could say was, damn, look at this price action. This is the price action you want to see. You see this strong move down, a retest, and a breakdown. After we got that retest, price consolidated in a tight range until the end of the session. Now, here's what I'm looking for with tomorrow's data. I do believe that we'll get a bearish reaction, and I'm looking for price to come and test this area right here. I'm looking for the bulls to defend this area and the bears to try to take it down lower. Now, if the bears are successful in taking price lower, I am looking for price to possibly reach this area, and this is where I believe where the bulls is going to take control if they don't defend this zone right here. Now again, I would never recommend trying to predict the movement of high impact news, but I will keep my eyes on this area, and if I do see support forming in these zones, I will attempt to take a trade here because I do believe that the Bears will take this down. I do believe that despite the data, the bulls are going to try to buy it back up, double bottom, and send price higher. That's what I'm going to keep my eyes out for tomorrow. Now let's jump into a CL chart. Here's what I'm looking for with CL tomorrow. Price, after we got that big, massive move up on CL, price consolidated and a range. I'm looking for price to break this high. I'm looking for price to break out, strong close above this trading range, a retest, and price to come into this area. This area is currently heavy supply. So if the bulls want to continue and push price higher, I would want to see price trade through this area, test at 70 cents, find support to push it higher, to retest that previous high. Now, if the bulls fail here, I'm looking for bears to take it down, a retest, and testing these levels right here. Now, we may see a bounce at 38 if price gets here, but I am looking for bulls to come in at 17 cents. If the bears push past these levels, then at 74.58 is an area where I believe bulls will definitely come in at. These are the levels that I'm going to be looking for, but remember, this is a game plan. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias for tomorrow's stream. Because we do not trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price writes the story, the charts tells the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. Even though today had a massive move up and a massive move down, I'm ending the day sitting on my hands. I did not take a trade today. I wasn't in front of my desk when these opportunities presented itself, and based on the earlier price action, I chose to sit on my hands. After we got that massive move up, I went to the gym and I came back and saw that massive move down. I did not FOMO into either side of this move, so I'm going to consider that a win. FOMOing into moves, usually they come back and they retest the area where they came from. So it's always important to not FOMO into big moves. Wait for a retest and then you get your entry. You may miss it. You may not take a trade, but what you did walk away from, or what you did walk away with, is discipline. The discipline to not jump into the trade, getting a bad entry, and becoming market liquidity as price come back and takes out your stop. And with that said, trading with my trading partner played a pivotal role in my success and showed me the importance of trading in a community. And that's what we want to offer to you. You do not have to trade alone. You can join us in our live stream, and you can now join us after the stream in our Discord, where we provide valuable information such as key levels to look out for, our charts with commentary, and a sense of community. But what's most important is that you can feel more confident taking your own trades because you're not trading alone. That's all I have. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.